Salutations! This Jaboticaba is well overdue for a repot since after Hurricane Ian, Anna and Anais are defoliating it so we can go ahead and get it on a cart. The bottom branches have created what is called bar branching, so the left branch will have to go before it creates reverse taper. After the wound has been rounded off, I applied cut paste. Time for wire. Since the lower left branch has been removed, we will be lowering a portion of the side branch to eventually fill in the negative space. Here he's tightening down the anchor, pulling down the branch, twisting the wires to make it aesthetically more pleasing to the eye, and voila, secured. Removing bark that's about to fall off, and relocating an air plant friend. Time to take it out of the pot. In the root ball of this tree, it did contain organic soil. We got most of it out. Old to new. Secured in the pot. Time for soil. And working it in with a chopstick. Here's the 360. Here's the beauty. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.